The fun side of life gets me on the back of a Harley in beautiful British Columbia, behind the scenes at a custom motorcycle shop.
This is where all the magic happens. You wanted to see behind the curtain?
Today I'm heading over to Konquer Motorcycles, a legendary custom motorcycle shop. My friend Tim is giving me my first motorcycle ride in 20 years. I'm a bit nervous.
Jim, we're gonna go for a ride today.
I can't wait. I've never been on a Harley before.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, this is a classic. It's a 1992 FXRT, or they called it a Sport Glide.
How do I keep my balance?
Just sit up straight and just follow me.
Okay.
That's the best way.
Don't slouch, go with the flow.
Yeah, if I lean into a corner, just stay with me.
Okay, I'm excited. I don't know, I can't contain myself. I don't move until you tell me to move.
No problem.
All right.
Let me get it started first.
Sure. See what I mean? Very novice.
That's okay. You'll be just fine. I'll go forward a bit. There. You on?
I'm on.
Perfect. There we go. There we go. Buddy.
Oh man.
You first. There you go.
That was awesome. I've never felt safer in my life.
There you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, man. You're welcome. I'm glad you enjoyed.
That was awesome. Did you feel the smile on my face the entire time?
I did. There was this big beam in the back of my head.
I think I have a permanent smile now.
That's awesome.
It was such a, I can understand the liberating feeling that you get when you're on it.
That's just a small example of what we do when we ride here in the Okanagan. I mean, there's so many places to go. The scenery is fabulous.
I headed inside with Tim, and we were surrounded by an incredible variety of custom motorcycles made by the team. It's no wonder Konquer Motorcycles is a mecca for motorcycle enthusiasts all over North America.
What is it that you offer here?
People, whether they buy a newer bike or they get a secondhand one, they want to make it their own, right? What we do is we give them that opportunity. A lot of people come here from across Canada. There's no other place like us.
What are we looking at here? What are we looking at here? I don't recognize these bikes, but they look epic.
These two bikes over here, they fall into the performance bagger category. And basically they've got a lot of performance parts. We did a military bike, which was a tribute.
I love the finished products, but I'd love to see how they're done.
Well, that's top secret. Sorry, you can't go there.
Okay.
No, I'm teasing.
Time to peek behind the curtain and see where custom motorcycles are born.
All right, Jim, this is where all the magic happens. You wanted to see behind the curtain?
Love it.
This is where it's going to be.
This is your secret layer of awesome creation, right?
Well, there's a lot that's gone on here, and there's a lot more to go on as well. Our guys work really hard. Everything from basic services, oil change, right up to full customization. We tear the bike down, we do everything to it. And it all depends on what the customer wants, of course. We also have our own paint and body operation, so we can do everything. Custom paint and graphics and all that kind of stuff.
Tim, you obviously love what you do. This can't be work for you, right?
It absolutely is not. No, I found my dream job, you know. I've ridden bikes since I was very young. I've always been around bikes. I've gone through various careers in my lifetime, and now I'm here. And this is something I've always wanted to be a part of. I'm glad to work with the great crew that we have, and they're all invested. They all are part of this culture. This is what we do.
I couldn't let the opportunity pass to spend a bit more time on Tim's motorcycle. He was gracious enough to drive me to my next adventure.
What a day. Tim showed me the freedom and beauty of the open road from the back of a classic motorcycle. What a rush. Today might be over, but you never know what tomorrow's gonna bring. Why don't you come along with me, see where I go next?